my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo video on the Restoration palette from Revolution Pro, and this is the fourth palette that I've got. This is the more like neutral one that I've picked up. I kind of thought, you know what, let's pick up a neutral one as well, and I didn't realise, but I think it's a dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, they're pretty much a dupe. I have swatched these side by side and they are extremely similar. So if you want a video on comparison, just let me know down below, because I'll do that for you guys. But today it's just the review for this one. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very neutral palette, but very pretty as well. And I believe if you did want the Modern Renaissance but you didn't want to spend £43, this is a great dupe, as you do get more shades in here and it's only £8, so yeah, you can't go wrong. So yeah, we do have more mattes in this palette than we have shimmers, which is not bad. Not bad. So the first row is mainly mattes. Yeah, it's mainly matte. You've got like 2 shimmers on the top row. Of course, I've put swatches on the screen so you can see. Then on the second row, we've got all mattes besides from this one here. And then on the last row, we've got one shimmer in the middle, which is this one here. So yeah, very pretty. Again, the ingredients are pretty much the same as all the other palettes. The main ingredient is mica, so yes, and again you get the same amount of product in this one as you do in the other ones that I have. If you do want to go ahead and see my other 3 videos that I've done on the Mischief mattes, the Celestial and the Azure palette, I'll leave them all linked down below. So yes, I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so now I've got you zoomed in a bit closer. I've just done this out of camera, so yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna take the first shade, which is No Limit, this one here. I'm just gonna pop that all over my lid. I'm now gonna take my first transition shade, which is called Baby, which is this one here. I'm using my Morphe E27 brush as well. I'm going to take my next shade, which is called No Doubt, which is this one here. And I'm just going to take my Morphe E23 brush and kind of like run that through my crease as well. I'm then going to take the shade Fire Starter, which is this one, and just put it on my outer V. I'm just using my Weaver 227 brush. Then going back in with my first brush just to blend it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, just using the Make Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I'm then going to take the Supreme eyeshadow in Intoxicate, and I'm going to take this like rose gold shade here. And kind of just pop that between outer V shade and like the concealer, just like in the middle. Then just go back in with the Weaver brush and a bit more of that fire starter shade and kind of like blend the two together. Take a mixture of two shades. I'm going to take Heartache, which is this one here, and then I'm going to take French Braid, which is this one here. And I'm just going to use my Zoeva 234 brush. I'm just going to take my first brush I used to just blend out the edges again. And then I'm going to take the Ice highlighting palette and I'm going to take the middle shade and just use that for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm just going to take the Lash Sensational. Then for highlighter I'm going to use the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter in Rose Gold, which looks like this. I have used like the white shade before just for like my inner corner highlight, but I'm going to use it today since I have kind of got a pink look going. This shade here, just to start off with, and I'm just going to use my Morphe E61 brush. I'm just take a little bit. These ones seem a little bit more like powdery and chunky compared to the Supreme highlighters. So I don't know. Here we go. It seems like very glittery. So then for lips I'm going to take the Nude collection matte lipstick in Buff from Makeup Revolution. There we go, so that is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course I'll leave everything else that I'm wearing down below, like foundation and bronzer and that kind of thing. I'll leave that link down below. Overall, again, I love this palette. I think it's great. Because I've tried out the other three and I've loved them, so this one is no different. This is obviously more on like the neutral side, so if you do prefer your neutrals, I think this is great. I also do think it's a great dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. If you want me to do a comparison video on both of these, just let me know because I'll do that for you guys. And yes, I'll see you in my next video.